Hello everyone. Today I will share one of the important learning platform those who are eager to learn trending technologies free. So that platform Microsoft Learn. Microsoft introduced this platform to learn new technologies, the theoretical aspect as well as there are some hands-on experience with their Microsoft related technologies throughout these platforms. So today's session, I will show you how to create Microsoft Learn profile and how you can start your learning path. So maybe each and everyone you have different career goals, or you're planning for your career in different industries or different technologies or different areas. So for all the people, Microsoft Learn is a good platform. You can polish, you can enhance your skills and knowledge to become an expert on your career goal areas. So without further delay, we will move for the session, right? I will share my screen. So initially, I will share you how you can create your Microsoft Learn profile, right? So just you can Google it, just Microsoft Learn, right? So once you search Microsoft Learn, you're getting this window. On this window, you can click the first option, right? So this is that this is the dashboard we are getting for Microsoft Learn. So as an initial step, you need to create an account. For the account creation, I strongly recommend you can use your personal email IDs. Maybe you are a student, you are undergraduate students, or maybe you are postgraduate students. You have some university email IDs, right? So once you use those email IDs, sometime after you graduated, your email ID is not accessible, so you cannot get that digital badges or digital certificates you are earned throughout this Microsoft Learn platform. Uh, you can lose those certification and digital badges once you are using your uh, university email ID. So I kindly recommend you guys to use your personal email ID. So just you can click the sign in option, right? So once you click the sign in options, maybe if you don't have a personal Microsoft account, just you can click this create one this option. So once you click this option, it will ask you to the email IDs. Just I will provide my personal email ID. So once I enter this one, I am getting a verification code to my email. So you can get that verification code for your personal email ID. You can enter that verification code to create your account. It will ask you some information, your country. I'm from Sri Lanka, so they're asking you to select your date of birth. Yeah, I am giving uh, January. Just I am giving a dummy date and time. This is just for a uh, tutorial purposes. I am creating this account. So now they will ask you to click next. Then it will ask you the name, right? So I'm giving a testing profile. So now yeah, I don't need to get if you click this option, it will continuously send you the updates and news related to their Microsoft products. So once I click this one, so now yeah, so now they are asking you to prove as a human, right? So now yeah. Mm. So use the arrow to rotate the. Okay, just they will check the human. Now once I successfully log in, right? So this is how I can create my Microsoft Learn profile, right? So maybe if you want, you can use the fingerprint options or some pin options for increase the login speed, right? So just I skip this option. This is just for my demo purposes. I'm using this account, right? Okay, they will ask again the country and region. So I'm selecting Sri Lankan region. So actually, this is not my personal account. This account I'm creating for tutorial purposes, uh, just to show you about these platform, how you are creating the account, right? So now, yeah, you don't need to do anything, right? So you are all set. Just back to the learning platform, right? So this is the dashboard. Once you create your account, you are getting, right? So now I will show you how you can learn something from this platform, right? Now you have successfully created your Microsoft Learn profile. So once you successfully create your Microsoft Learn profile, right, now you need to find out what are the course modules I can learn, right? So how I can find out that particular place. So in this dashboard window, you can find out something called product and documentation. Similarly, you have something called discover. So if you go to the discover options, you have noticed something called training, right? So once you click these training options, you will redirect to the learning platform page, right? So actually now we are in the dashboard window. Go to the discover option. In the discover option, you have find out something called training. So once you click this training, right, this is the place you can find out free learning materials and free learning coursewares, right? So yeah, this is that window you can find out to start your learning platform. So this is the welcome window. On this welcome window, you can they will by default they will recommend some course modules, right? They will recommend some course modules. I just you can scroll down, you can find some different courses and other things, right? So now I will show you as a beginner how you can find out the courses which are related to your career goal, right? Let's say some students they are planning to become a software engineer, some students they are planning to become a data scientist, sometimes you're planning to become a DevOps engineers, right? There are different in technological roles you are planning your career, right? So based on your career goal, you can filter the courses and you can go through your pathway to learn, right? So now once you click this browse all path window, right, in this window you can find out around 4,596 course modules, right? So maybe these all the course modules they are giving you free of charge, right? So if you look at this filter, right, this is the place we can find out most related course module for my career goal, right? So here we have different options to find out the course module, right? Let's say some students they are planning to learn a specific technology, right? So Microsoft they are introduce hundreds of different technologies, right? As a student, as an undergraduate student, sometimes you are planning to learn a specific platform. So this is the suitable place, right? Based on the product, you can filter, right? Let's say someone planning to learn .NET framework. So just you can click this button, then it will redirect all the courses related to .NET framework. So if you want to learn C Sharp, then that based on .NET framework, you can learn the C Sharp programming language, how we can code C Sharp. So all the course module, 159 free courses exist to learn C Sharp, right? Let's say now what you need to do, you can click this, write your first C Sharp code, right? So this is the first code, first course module. So in this course module, you can notice, right, they are mentioned how much time you need to spend to complete this course module. So here they are mentioned 34 minutes you need to spend. So they are telling what are the .NET developer as a beginner, you can learn this course. So once you click this option, right, so now they will give an introduction about the course module. What are the learning outcomes throughout this course module, right? So now you can find out something called the content of this course module, right? The introduction, there are some exercises, learn how it works. So these are the content of the module. Finally, you have a short quizzes, right? So maybe sometime 5 to 10 MCQ questions based on the understanding of this course module. You need to sit for the course assessment and you can earn a digital certificate, right? Once you successfully complete this module. So once I click the start button, right, now I can go inside the first module of these course, right? They are giving an introduction. So they are giving basic introduction about C sharp programming language, what is C sharps and everything they explain, right? So now they are giving you how, to write the first coding, right? So now inside these, they are giving you a coding platform as well, right? So you don't need to use any other outside the platform. So inside the platform, they are giving an instructions, right? So how we can write your first code, right? To print hello world. So this is the code console dot write line. Within the parentheses, we can put the verse within the double quotes. You can write uh, the what is the content what we need to print. So they will guide you how to write the initial code. So now here what you can do, if you want to practice these things here, right? So just you can type the command, right? So maybe you can here, you can type the command console. So if you want, you can type the command in this IDE. So now once you successfully write the command, if you run this one, right, now it will do the printing, right? So now if I want to change my name, right, so here I need to change, right? So I will show you how to do the things, right? So now I can develop my initial code with C sharp language, right? This is how we can learn, right? So now once I complete this module, just I click the next one. So in the next module, they will tell you what is programming language, right? So programming language, they are giving some introduction. So what is the compilation, what is the syntax, how did code work? So the basic things, right? So throughout these paragraphs, right, they will explain about these things, right? So maybe each chapter they are asking you some questions, so you need to answer the questions as well, right, to complete the module, right? So now what will happen, right? So again, I can go to the learning, the training platform, right? So now let's say this is the my dashboard, right? So now if I want to find out my course module, just click the that my profile window. Just if I click this my profile window, I can find out something called the course module. Just now I started, right? So again, from here onwards, I can try to continue my module, right? So once I click this one, so now previously I completed the first two module. It shows green tag. So I can start from my third module. So once I complete this module, I am earning a digital badge, right? So now, right? Yeah, this is how we can find out the courses, right? So now I already show you. Just go to the discover training window, then just browse all path, right? So by using this one, you can learn a specific technology. Let's say if you want to learn uh, Microsoft Azure, right? So just they are giving, Azure is one of the cloud service provider. Microsoft Azure is one of the famous cloud service providers. If you want to learn Microsoft Azure, this is the place you can learn, right? So once you click this Microsoft Azure, right? So they are showing 1,785 results related to Microsoft Azure, right? Each one they will give you some knowledge, right? So each one they are different time duration. So this is only 12 minutes you need to spend. Let's say if you have 1 hour break, you can learn something new technologies throughout these platform, right? Let's say for this one, Microsoft Azure fundamental describe cloud concept, right? So if you don't have any idea about cloud concept, throughout this platform you can learn. You need to spend maximum of 1 hour, right? So you are getting some basic level of cloud computing ideas, right? So likewise, you can scroll down and you can complete one by one to enhance to enhance your knowledge. And you to you are, if you are planning your career goals, you can use this platform to learn, right? So this is one place. Maybe let's say someone planning to learn GitHub, right? So if you are planning to learn GitHub, right? So then you can click this GitHub button, right? So this is one of the uh, software product introduced by Microsoft. So just you can click this GitHub. Then they will the first course module, introduction to GitHub Copilot, right? So to the GitHub, how we can integrate the Copilot. So only you need to spend 19 minutes to learn this course module. Likewise, here 177 course module related to version controlling system with GitHub. So if you have a free time, you can complete one by one, right? So now there are so many things, right? So getting started with GitHub Copilot, right? Introduction to Git, right? So as a beginner, as a freshers, maybe if you don't have an idea about Git version controlling, so this is the course module, right? Introduction to Git. So only you need to spend 31 minutes to complete this module, right? So within a short time period, we can learn highly qualified skills, right? These are the all the skills are highly demanded by the industries, right? So maybe you can get a basic understanding, right? So they are giving, once you complete this module, learning outcomes, right? The objectives are learn what is version controlling is, understand the distributed version controlling system like Git, right? So now you are creating a Git project and how we can do the configuration, right? So the basic Git commit, all the basic commands, everything they will explain throughout this course module, right? So now this is the content of the module, right? So once you click start button here, right, it will give you some textual contents about explanation about the JIT version controlling. Sometimes they will share you some videos, the tutorials, video tutorials. So just you can complete this, right? So now the next module, what is version controlling system? What is the purpose of version controlling systems, right? So now throughout this video, they will do an explanation, right? So even if you are a fresher, you can use this platform to learn, right? Distributed version controlling system, the JIT terminologies in the GitHub terminology. So everything they will explain throughout this course module, right? So this is how you can learn, right? So now you can go to this the dashboard window. Just click the here, right? From here onwards, maybe you can define, you can search different technologies, right? So if you want to learn a specific technology, you can use this tool, right? So maybe you need to learn Microsoft Power BI, right? Microsoft Copilot, right? So all the technologies introduced by Microsoft, you can learn throughout this one, right? So yeah, this is one way, right? You, if you want to learn new technology or new product, you can use this platform. The second one, let's say now you are planning to establish your career as a data engineer or machine learning engineer, business analyst or software engineers. So now you can find out role-based filtering, right? So role-based filtering, here there are different roles they are explained to enhance your knowledge, right? Let's say someone planning to become an AI engineer, then you can find out this one, right? So once you click this AI engineer option, right, it will show you the course module related to the AI concepts, right? Fundamentals of AI concept, introduction to generative AI. So what is prompt engineering, right? There are so many aspects, right? How we can implement machine learning. So everything you can learn throughout these 132 research, you can get the sound knowledge about these AI engineers, right? Sometimes someone planning to become a business analyst, right? Business analyst. So you can find out, right? To become a business analyst, you have a sound knowledge on Power BI and other technology aspects, right? So here they are filter the courses related to become a business analyst. Sometimes you are planning to become a data analyst, right? So this one. So once you use this one, you can find out some course module, right? Data scientist. Let's say you are planning to become a database administrator. Now they are showing you some course module to enhance, to shine, to improve your knowledge. You can use these platforms, right? So DevOps engineers. Let's say sometimes you are planning to become a DevOps engineer, right? So you need to learn Docker, some development operation technologies, right? So now they are showing you related technologies related to DevOps engineer, right? So just you can follow these technologies to expertise your knowledge in DevOps engineers, right? Likewise, there are different roles, right? The network engineer. So let's say someone planning to become a network engineer, right? So now they will teach you what is a load balancing, right? There are so many network related contents, right? So this is how we can find out the uh, role based different course module in Microsoft Learn, right? So sometimes maybe the beginners or intermediate or advanced, right? So beginners in the sense as a freshers, maybe you can learn the very basic fundamental aspects throughout these beginners level certification. Sometimes you can use the intermediate, middle level or advanced things, but based on the level also you can find out the course module. Based on the subject you can find out, right? So artificial intelligence, business application, data management, security. Let's say someone planning to enhance his knowledge on security perspective, so you can find out this course module, right? uh, how they are managing the govern the Microsoft. There are different things, security things, right? What do you mean by Entra ID, right? So that everything they will explain here, right? Sometime maybe based on these learning paths, right? So different courses, different modules, you can filter and you can go through the courses, right? So now just this is the template, the dummy platform I created to show you how to access the account. Now I will share my account, right? Then you can realize how many certifications I have, right? So every day, maybe if you have a free time, just you can learn something, right? So you don't need to spend weeks and months, right? If you have a small free time, let's say if you have a small free time, within this free time, you can utilize that free time to learn something new, right? So now I will share my profile, right? Then you can realize, right, what are the courses I completed already, right? So this is actually my Microsoft Learn profile, right? This is my personal profile, right? So here you can learn, right? Once you complete different course module, you are learn some. points, right, for your profile. So now just go to your profile, just click this button. So this is my profile, right? So in this profile, you can find out how many badges I earned, right? How many trophies, how many certifications I have, everything they will list down here, right? So maybe if you have some free times, you can learn something throughout these platform, right? So that's all about this video tutorial, right? So the freshers, those who are planning to enhance your knowledge on a specific area, you can utilize this platform to learn or to improve your career goals, right? So we cannot learn everything within 1 week or 1 month. So day by day, you can just do a small improvement for your career. Then maybe end of 6 months, then you can get a sound knowledge, right? So the important thing here, from each and every course module, you need to get some knowledge, right? So don't try to focus only for the certificates or digital badges. Actually, you need to focus on your knowledge, right? So if once you complete 1 hour, you need definitely you need get sound knowledge on that particular content. That is what we are expecting from you guys, right? So thank you very much for watching this video, right? So you can share this video with your friends or with your uh, with your uh, colleagues or with your friends who are eager to learn new technologies. You can share the undergraduate students or your friends and your circle to get familiar with this Microsoft Learn and to enhance their knowledge for a next level. Thank you very much.